Every screen printing job needs the right shirt. Different shirt materials can produce different effects in the print. Let's talk about a few common things to keep in mind when choosing a shirt. Fabric type, thread type, and fit of the shirt. For new printers or ones that just need a refresher, check out our free screen printing course on screenprinting.com. The two most popular shirt fabrics are cotton and polyester. Cotton is a natural fiber, while polyester is synthetic. Cotton garments are the easiest shirt to print on and usually cost less. These garments come in two different types of threads: carded open end and combed, also known as ring spun. Carded open end cotton shirts are less expensive to produce. They're generally thicker and heavier than ring spun garments. Ring spun or combed cotton is finer, smoother, and has a more even knit. There's a few more options. Most common are 50-50 garments, which is a cotton polyester blend. Tri-blends are also popular. These are typically cotton, polyester, and rayon blends. Polyester shirts are trickier to print on due to how they're dyed. The dye in polyester garments is set at around 270 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When the polyester thread hits that temperature range again during the curing process, the dyes return to a gaseous state and can be absorbed by the screen printing ink. This process, called dye migration, changes the color of inks because the dye from the garment is entering the ink. To learn more about printing on polyester garments, check out the resources in the class description. We're going to use 100% cotton shirts for this print. Let's lay down some adhesive and load a shirt onto the press. Before loading a shirt, it's important to apply adhesive to the platen. This way, the shirt will stick to the platen instead of the screen when printed. One convenient method is to use a spray adhesive. It's quick to apply and gets the job done. However, spray adhesives are messy and bad for the shop environment. A more friendly adhesive is water-based adhesive. Applying it is easy. Drizzle some adhesive on the platen and swipe it around with a cleanup card. Make sure to cover the entire platen with the adhesive. Stick the platen under the flash to get the adhesive tacky. This process takes a little longer, but also lasts longer than a spray adhesive. The best part is that you can re-tack the adhesive when it starts to lose its stick. Simply mist the platen with water and scrub the lint off with a clean scrub brush. Set the platen under the flash for a bit and it's ready to go again. The key to loading a shirt properly is to keep it open as you load it so it doesn't get stuck when you load it onto the platen. Here's how to do it. Hold your shirt from the bottom, keeping it open. Load it all the way back on the platen. Line up the center line of the platen with the center of the garment. Lift up the shoulders of the shirt to do this. Place the collar on one of the lines drawn on the platen. Choose the best line for the print placement you're trying to achieve. Then, smooth the shirt down so it's stuck to the platen. For more tricks to loading a shirt, check out the links in the course description. Stack the shirts for a job however you'd like. Make sure the stack of shirts is close enough that you can grab and load a new shirt without much effort. Loading shirts takes a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's second nature. To learn more, check out the full free course on screenprinting.com. You'll learn how to create a darkroom and burn screens, how to print with water-based and plastisol ink, and how to properly clean up and reclaim screens for another print.